Hi, I'm Deb from Pixel Ladies, and I thought I'd show you how I use a color card to correct the color after photographing our quilts. First of all, I've taken two photographs. I do this both for full versions of the quilts and detail shots. So here I've got a detail shot. On the left, I've pinned my color card to the quilt. You can see it right here. I can zoom in for you. And on the right, I've taken another photograph without the color card. I've opened both images up in Photoshop Elements. I think I'm using version 2021, but you can do the same thing in any version of Photoshop and probably other programs as well. The first thing I'm going to do is open a levels adjustment layer. So I go up to that blue and white circle and click on levels. And then I'm going to get that white point eyedropper, this one right here. And I'm going to click on the white area of the color card. Noticed how that brightened it up? And I'm going to do the same thing with the gray eyedropper. So click the gray eyedropper and then click on the second gray rectangle in the color card. You can see it changed it a little bit more. And if your layers aren't already open, you can open your layers panel and you'll see that there's a levels 1 adjustment layer. It's like a filter on a camera. It's just correcting for the color. And because it's a separate layer, I can just drag this layer onto my photograph without the color card. So I'm going to do that. Click and drag, let go. And now that same adjustment has been applied to the image without the color card. That's all there is to it. There's one other feature of Photoshop that I really like. File, Save for Web. The reason I like Save for Web is because I'm a visual person. I like to see what's happening to the image when I change the size or the quality settings. So let me zoom in here. I'm going to click this little arrow and go to 100%. So this is my image, the original, and this is my image as a JPEG. I can't see any difference, and this is actually a low quality image. Instead of being 68 megabytes, it's now just under 1.5. You have options here to go to from low to maximum. Now the image is 16 megabytes. The size is 6,000 pixels on the longest side. Some places want a maximum of 4,200. So let's change that to 4,200 pixels. Press the Enter key. So what that did is it changed the original to 4,200. It really didn't change your original image to 4,200 pixels. It changed the view in the Save for Web screen and the optimized version to 4,200. It reduced the size of both of them. If I need my file size to be less than 5 megabytes, I have to reduce the quality. So I can click on these bars here, which this is now just under 3 megabytes. And I'm looking at the difference. I can even zoom in and check the difference. And I can't see a difference really. When you're happy, then click Save. Tell it where to save it and give it a new name. Click Save, and you're done. I hope this helped you.